How does it make you feel, Katie? The lights.
Merry.
Merry?
Yes, and bright.
Mary with a little Jesus?
No, Merry.
Oh, Mary,
and
Mary.
bright. I don't feel like Mary.
You pregnant?
Today's gonna be a fun day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking vlog. We are at Knott's Berry Farm. You see Kalia? Everybody's having fun. We're at the little kids' rides and everything. But we've been here for a few hours, and I'm really trying to wait until we do the Christmas thing at night with the lights and everything like that.
It's already go around and go into there.
Into the cave?
It's just like a circle around and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all can go. Go.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful with those lights behind you. Oh my gosh, look at you. You like them though?
Oh, they're gorgeous.
They're beautiful. You guys see that? How does it make you feel, Katie? The lights.
Merry.
Mary?
Yes, and bright.
Mary with a little Jesus?
No, Mary.
Oh, Mary,
and bright.
Mary.
I don't feel like Mary.
You pregnant?
Yeah, you are too cute. All right. Oh, thank you. All right. So, what do you want for Christmas then? Because it sounds like you're going to be on the nice list. A trampoline. Oh my goodness, that's going to require parental approval. Okay. Hi. Uh huh.
Shoes
Yeah.
and everything.
And everything. Oh my. What do you think the little one wants for Christmas?
Food.
Just food? Yeah. I like that. Yeah. Yeah.
A stuffed animal.
Okay, a stuffed animal.
Of those things when those octopus where it could say happy and mad.
Okay. Oh yes. I've seen those. They like switch around, right? Yeah. I've seen those. All right. I think the elves have been making
I
those.
think that's
Okay. You want to take a photo?
You gonna eat all that, Kalia?
for sure.
Are you?
Uh-huh.
You sure?
If Gabriel knows the rest, I'll take it.
Just got back from Knott's Berry Farm. It was fun. The family enjoyed it. I met my sisters up there, my nieces, all that stuff. Man, we had a blast. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. And man, we come back with another freaking video. Peace.